Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to you an unboxing which you can probably see everything behind me. So for this week, my week 8 tee arrived. That's why this is probably going to be like a spring tees unboxing and more because there's obviously a lot more to go alongside what I received from my week 8 piece. Obviously for week 8 I just went for one piece for the tee for the personal, and yeah, a lot of people have actually asked me if I can obviously take it out and try it on, because obviously it's for the personal, I'm going to do that. But also because people want to see or know how the sizing is for the tees. So as per norm, let me know down below whether your item arrived from week 8. If it did, what did you get, what size, what colorway, and are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling it? If your item hasn't arrived yet, does it have a set date for when it will arrive? And if it does have that date, then I hope that it does arrive on that day and it doesn't get rescheduled or anything like that. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing because there's a lot to go through and I'm not going to take a ton of time on it, so yeah. So first and foremost, I'm just going to start off with a piece that I unboxed the other day, which I'm holding just here, just because I unboxed it the other day, so I might as well throw that first and then come back to all of this. Okay, so this is going to be thrown into the middle. This is not straight. So this is going to be thrown into the middle of an unboxing. Yeah, that unboxing will probably be paused, and then this will come into play. So this is a package. Obviously, as you see, it says our sincere apologies as they bagged it. As well, something went wrong. So this is a hoodie that I bought off of one of my friends. Depending on the colorway, I don't actually know what colorway this is, and I'm not disclosing anything because I just want to open and see it. I hope it is the grey colorway because that would be great for me. But it's a size medium, which might be a bit of a stretch. But yeah, it's a hoodie. Currently, they're like 130 to 160 pounds, depending on the condition. If it's in grey, I'll be happy. If it's in any other colour, you know, it's fine as well, but grey would be amazing, but I have no idea. There's the shipping and everything that's on it, and it is in here. It is not grey, that is for sure, but this is a bin bag, isn't it? It is a bin bag. He said that his girlfriend sent it for him. In any case, here it is, and what this is a Muhammad Ali hoodie. So yeah, there's that. Whether or not it fits is another thing, which is why I'm going to try it on now. If it's tight, then I might just let it go as like in a couple of weeks or something, or a couple of months, you know, just clean it up and let it go. But yeah, after waiting like 5 or 6 days for it, it is not my fit, unfortunately. It's just a bit, well, I stand up. I've just got a random pair of Nike shorts, so I'm going to see it's here, hips like here. I need it to be about here or like here-ish so that it can be safe. At the back, you know, that's not the fit that I'm looking for. So yeah, I'll probably just end up getting rid of it. I've got it for the time being, so yeah. Enjoy the rest of the unboxing when you see my future self in like 2 weeks time. So yeah, obviously as you saw, I unboxed this hoodie, the Muhammad Ali hoodie. I'm not going to be keeping it just because it doesn't fit. That's pretty much it. So I'm just going to try and get what I paid for it like back, and yeah, that's that. Also the other week I picked up one of these because they were on like discount, or they were just discounted from like £70 or so to 30. It's just a Nike hoodie with Just Do It embroidered. So yeah, I thought why not. But to properly kick off this unboxing, we're going to be starting off with this piece, which is my week 8 tee. And yeah, I'm going to be switching straight into it, obviously, to then say how it fits and everything pretty much. So let's unbox this. So it's the sailboat tee in size large, obviously for the personal, like I've said about 4 times now. It actually comes in a different bag, or I've got a different bag for it. 2 plain box logo stickers, so I'm not getting any sticker packs clearly. And this bag is actually quite helpful in case I want to store anything in it. So yeah, I haven't got one of these in ages because they normally only send them out with the tops. So yeah. Let's just quickly change into this, like as simple as 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we're in it. It's massive. This is a size large. Obviously, I wear large in pretty much everything. But even on me, like, this is a pretty big top, like personally. So maybe after a wash or so, it might be a bit more comfortable. But yeah, the graphic and everything looks amazing. It's like the exact color and everything that it looked like. It just looks great. So yeah, There's nothing wrong with it, it's great, but as for the sizing, to be honest, I might have even been able to get a medium, but that might be a little bit of a stretch on that. But yeah, this is a little bit bigger, I guess, than I'm normally used to, but I'm not gonna complain anyway. Okay, next up we have another piece, obviously, which I believe this is the week 6 amazing scissors. This is the week 6 package, or week 6. I'm better off ripping it with my hands. This is my week 6 item that I ordered, obviously, from the Lamborghini week. I'm still amazing at opening packages, as always. And yeah, now that we've gotten into it, there we go. We get another 2 stickers, so slap them on there. And then we have the beanie itself. I mean, yeah, there's nothing really to it at the end of the day, I don't think. It's a Lamborghini beanie. Black colourway, I'd say, is the most popular. The outside to the embroidery doesn't exactly pop as that vibrant colour, but I'm not going to complain because it's just a cool little beanie to have. You've got the embroidered Supreme on the back, logo on the front, that's pretty much it, job done. So yeah, there is another piece unboxed. So going through them a bit like that just to get through them in a decent speed. Next up we have this, which I believe is going to be a poncho, because obviously I gave my poncho to my brother when he was going on holiday to America like a month and a bit ago now. And the short summary is that he obviously had to come back early from that because of everything that was going on in the world. These scissors are horrendous also, so I'm going to have to open this a different way. And yeah, he was going to wear the poncho out there, but basically came home early, didn't have the time to. I gave him my poncho to obviously wear out there, but he didn't. So in the meantime, I purchased one during that time from a friend in the Discord. If you'd like to join, you know, link is down below. But yeah, he sent it to me for basically just like shipping. That's pretty much it. So thank you for that, Regan, I appreciate it. I might blur out his name just because, but yeah, I appreciate it. Okay, next up, I'm probably gonna go with this because this isn't Supreme, but you know, it was discounted from like £120 to like 40, so it was just a why not buy it sort of item in the end for me, and a couple of other people in Discord also bought it. So yeah, we don't get many like brick flips, I guess you could say, in Europe or in the UK, so you could probably get like £5 profit on this, but yeah, it's not exactly the biggest like brick flip possible. So obviously, just to open it, I'm just gonna tear it like that. Take my order sheet out. Get them out. I was going to say this is not my size, but it's okay, it is my size. So these are Nike Element React or React Element 55s. Black colorway, white. Yeah, they look pretty cool. Nothing I can really say about it. Running shoe or just everyday shoe to beat now, that's pretty much going to be its function for me. There isn't a ton to say about it. I mean, it was just a sporadic purchase, same as like the Nike or Nike hoodie. It was just one of those things where it's like, it's a decent price, you know, normally £70, £75 on Nike hoodie. I'm not really looking to do that. £30, yeah, that's fine. £120 or £119, that's pushing it a little bit. £40, yeah, why not, you know? So yeah, I'll probably try these on or have these on at another point in time. They actually have a ton of stains on them, just saying that. I don't know what the one on the side here, or like the mid guard sort of area is, but yeah, you might be able to see there's like, yeah, you can definitely see, look at that. It looks like someone spat on it or something. But anyway, yeah, that's them. Well, that's that. So yeah, that is another piece opened and unboxed. You're probably wondering why I'm going through this so quick, but to be honest, personally, I just feel that if I do an unboxing of like 1 or 2 items, taking 5 or 6 minutes, you know, can be justified or is justifiable. Me taking like 16 minutes to unbox like 3 things when I look back on some of them, it's really not needed. So yeah, even if I do want to talk a massive amount about the item, but in this case, you've already had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things, and we're about 9 minutes in. So yeah, I think we're doing a good track record so far. Next up is a piece that I'm going to try and cover up in a certain way like this. This is a piece that I got off of a friend from Facebook. The short summary is that he was just selling it. It was a really fair price, and you know, I like it. It's going to be another thing where people are going to call me a specific name that they do when I go for some items during some weeks that people wear on their head. This is going to be another one of those pieces. So I almost cut into it. Wow, that was a close one. Wow. I almost cut into it. Anyway, so we're going to pull it out. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's so cool. Let me just take off a couple of bits of rubbish that are on it. If I can, I'd love to. There we go. So, this is the Tom and Jerry beanie. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. It was an absolute steal, cheaper than normal retail of beanies nowadays, and yeah, I mean, I couldn't pass up on it in the end. It's like 9 out of 10. I'm not gonna pass up. I'm not gonna pass up on that at the end of the day. So yeah, and another piece from a friend from Facebook yet again, which is another steal. It doesn't come with a box, which, you know, it is what it is, but at the end of the day, for £25, I believe it was, I'm not going to pass up on it. So these need a hell of a clean, but these are the Supreme. Well, you can tell they are dirty as anything. They really need a clean. But yeah, this is a pair of Supreme Vans. Yeah, there's no other way to say it. They really need a clean. There are a couple of areas that are really messed up on them. Like on this side, there's an area that's like messed up. There's a little bit of ripping or cracking on some areas, but yeah, I am going to do my best to clean them up, or maybe take them somewhere to get them cleaned up and all sorted out, because they are a really cool pair. And yeah, there's nothing else to say about them. They've sat in my room for a couple of months now because I just haven't unboxed them or got around to unboxing them. But yeah, I know Boone really likes his Vans. These ones are not in the greatest condition, obviously, compared to what some people have, but at the end of the day, I'm not going to complain. They're really cool, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So that is going to cover this unboxing. For once, a big unboxing with a lot of things, sort of rushed-ish, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, I'd like much appreciated. Good luck for everyone going for the drop tomorrow, and comment down below if you'd like to, what you're going for. Other than that, I'll see you all next time. Peace.